Let's learn Uphill Battle. It's choreographed by Joey Warren. It is a 32 count, 2-wall intermediate level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 2. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Uphill Battle. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your right foot. We're going to step back with our left, and as we step back with our left, we're going to sweep our right from front to back. Cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left. We're now going to rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, cross your left over your right. We're going to quickly make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. Rock back with your left and recover onto your right. We're now going to do a chase into a rock, so you're going to step forward with your left foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 3 o'clock, and then rock forward with your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, stepping back and sweeping. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 2, we're going to recover back onto our right foot. You're going to step down onto your left, and as you step down, we're going to hitch our right knee up, making a 3/4 turn over our left shoulder to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to step forward with your left, and as you do this, you're going to do a small sweep with your right. We're now going to weave, cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side. We're going to cross rock our right over our left, recover onto your left foot and make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. Make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock, and then make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot and sweeping your left from back to front to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just rocked forward for 1. You're going to recover. And 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Section 3, we're going to do a half diamond into a weave. So we're going to cross our left over our right, step your right foot to the right side, make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 7:30. Step back with your right, make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 6 o'clock, and then make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 4:30. Step forward with your left, make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock. Cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and then you're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your right shoulder as you rock your left foot into the 4:30 diagonal and recover back onto your right. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just swept for 1. You're going to do your diamond. So it's 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and. Section 4 and our final section of the dance. We're going to step back with our left, and as we step back, we're going to sweep our right from front to back. Step back with your right, sweep your left from front to back. We're now going to do a left coaster step with a prep. So you're going to step your left foot back, right together, left forward, and you're going to slightly angle your body to the right. We're now going to make a 3/8 turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock, and then step forward with your right. We're now going to step forward with our left. We're going to step out, out, right, left on the balls of both feet, stepping out, out, and then you're going to step back with your right, ready to start the dance over again with your back sweep. So let's try that with some counts. We just rocked into the 4:30 diagonal for 8, and you're doing your back sweep. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and. Ready to start over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your right, stepping back with your left and sweeping. So it's back sweep, behind side cross, side rock, cross, quarter rock back, recover, chase, turn into a rock, recover 3/4 hitch, walk, step, sweep, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter, half, half, sweep. Now it's your diamond, cross, side, 8, back, back, 8, side, 8, forward, forward, 8, side, behind, side, 8, rock, recover, back, sweep, coaster, step, 3/8, half forward, step, out, out, back. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your right, stepping back with your left. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen on the end of wall 2, so you'll be facing 12 o'clock when you do this tag. Weight will be on your right. We're going to step back with our left and sweep our right at the same time. So you're going to do your back sweep. You're going to cross your right behind your left and step your left foot to the left side. We're now going to do a slow cross rock your right over your left. Recover back onto your left foot. We're now going to do a full turn over our right shoulder, stepping right, left, right with a sweep. So you want to think you have those 3 steps and the sweep to square you back up to 12 o'clock. So we're turning over that right shoulder, stepping right, left, right, and you're going to sweep that left foot around to square you up to 12 o'clock. You're going to cross your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side, rock your left foot behind your right, and recover onto your right foot. And that is the whole tag. When we start the next wall, instead of stepping back and sweeping, you're going to step to the side and sweep around. It's the only time you're going to do it. You're only going to do that after the tag. Since we are rocking back, it's going to feel more natural to step to the side. So you're just going to step side, sweep, and continue on from there. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your right, stepping back with your left. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and ready to start over again with your step sweep. And that is the whole tag. After that, you don't have to worry about anything until the very end of the dance. The music is going to end on your rock, recover, and your full turn. So you'll be dancing the back wall. You'll dance up until that part, so you're going to do your back sweep. So let's dance up to that part and then talk about how the ending happens. So you're going to step back and sweep, behind, side, cross, side, rock, cross, quarter, rock back, recover, chase, turn, or rock, recover, 3/4 hitch, walk, walk with a sweep, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover. Now, instead of doing a quarter, half, half sweep to face 3 o'clock, we're just going to roll to the front wall. So you did your rock, recover, you're going to do your quarter, you'll do your half, and then a quarter step, and you can kind of drag your left foot into your right, and that is how you are going to end the dance. So instead of doing an extra half, you're just going to turn it to a quarter so that you end facing 12 o'clock. So now, let's go around. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your right, starting with your step back and sweep. So it's back sweep, behind, side, cross, side, rock, cross, quarter, rock back, recover, chase, turn, or rock, recover, 3/4 hitch, walk, walk, sweep, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter, half, half, sweep. Now it's your diamond, cross, side, 8, back, back, 8, side, 8, forward, forward, 8, side, behind, side, 8, rock, recover, back, sweep, coaster, prep, 3/8, half, step, step, out, out, in, back, sweep, it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, your tag, back sweep, behind, side, cross, rock, recover your full run, run, sweep, cross, side, rock back, recover, step, side, sweep, behind, side, cross, side, rock, cross, quarter, rock back, recover, step, half, rock, recover, three-quarter hitch, walk, walk, sweep, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter, half, half, sweep. Now it's your diamond, cross, side, 8 back, back, 8 side, 8 forward, forward, 8 side, behind, side, 8 rock, recover, back, sweep, coaster, prep, 3/8, half step, forward, out, out, back, and it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1. And then you would keep dancing until the very end of the song. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn uphill battle. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Right there in the kitchen, our friends in the next room, so close they could listen. I don't know why I laugh when I cry. I'm not the girl that you thought you were getting. I'm way more complex, yeah, I got them sharp edges, I'm solid as ice. Oh, but I break all the time. If I were a different girl, it'd be simpler, that's for sure. Wouldn't it be nice to be a cool wind, always keep it breezy? Ooh yeah, but I am not that easy. No, I am who I am, and I am a lot to handle. You do the best you can, but I am in a uphill battle. You say I act like it's my job to get so emotional. Hell, it's my business to get so emotional. About to lose it, just below the surface. Oh, yeah. Walking around with a knot in my stomach. Got you so high, but we're ready to plummet. Going down, going down, going down, going down. Oh, no. But if I were a different girl, it'd be simpler, that's for sure. Oh, wouldn't it be nice to be a cool wind, always keep it breezy? Oh yeah, but I am not that easy. No, I am who I am, and I am a lot to handle. You do the best you can, but I am in a uphill battle. I'll be your solid ground, and I'll be your biggest gamble. You do the best you can, no. So baby, keep on climbing. I'll wrap my arms around you tight. I'll take you to the highest mountain. I'll take you to the top tonight. 'Cause if I were a different girl, yeah, it'd be simpler, that's for sure. But you know you wouldn't get the sparks from the clash, the high from the crash, the curse.